Natatandaan niyo pa ba nung nauso yung mga aloe vera soothing gel? I think that was years ago and it gives me so much nostalgia pag gumagamit ako nito. By the way, ito pala si tea tree with aloe vera serum soothing gel ni Hello Glow and sobrang silky smooth ng kanyang texture at kahit hindi mo ilagay sa ref, ang lamig-lamig. Alam niyo ba na ginagamit ko tong mask lalo na kapag mainit ang panahon. Also, it treats sunburn and it soothes irritated skin. Years ago, when I was still doing beauty videos sa YouTube, ginagamit ko yung mga aloe vera gel para anti-butlig and it really works. And ito pa pala yung isa, yung collagen serum soothing gel also from Hello Glow. This has bakuchiol, a very trendy skincare ingredient. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, pero kasi sabi nila, great alternative daw yun sa retinol. I don't know about that, but it really works for my skin too. I love how creamy it is. At kapag nilagay mo sa ref, girl, it's a different sensation on your face. It's very therapeutic, very refreshing. And because I'm at that age, 36 na po ang mami Chris ninyo,